Hello good class, this is our maths lesson. Now today for our maths lesson you're going to need your 10 frame again, and you'll also need to make 10 pieces of paper in little squares or rectangles, okay? And I'll show you why we need 10 in a moment. But the first thing we're going to do before we do that is we're going to practice counting to 10 again. Are you ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now we're going to use our pieces of paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves some number cards. Now you might need a little bit of help from your mums and dads for this, but in your emergency pack there is a laminated piece of paper that tells you how to draw your numbers, okay? So we need to make every number to 10. So I've got a pen and I've got my little pieces of paper. So I need to draw them. So the first one I'm going to draw is 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Well done. Now we need to keep going. 6. 7. 8. 9. And finally number 10. Now, when you use your number cards, you can also practice recognizing the numbers. Now we've got to mix them up. I'm going to mix them up. And I'm going to choose one of the cards. I might close my eyes. Which one will I pick? I've picked number... Oh, wrong way around. 1. Now, the reason we have number cards is because you can use a 10 frame to count any number of objects up to 10. Okay, so the number card I picked out from my pile with my eyes closed was number 1. So I'm going to put my number 1 here. Okay, so I've got number 1. Now I need to use my 10 frame to count 1 object. So I'm using my magnets and I've put 1 in my 10 frame. That's a bit easy, isn't it? Should we pick another number? Let's move that back. Let's take down our number 1 cards. I'm going to pick another number. Let's see, which one will I pick? My eyes are closed. I've picked number... What number is it? That's right, it's number 7. So I'm going to use my... I'm going to use my magnets to put 7 counters in my 10 frame. So my number is 7. So I need to count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now remember, notice I'm going across, but you can also fill your 10 frame like we did yesterday, going down. It doesn't matter, whichever way you find easiest. Okay, so I've done 7. Now, so you can see I can count any number up to 10 using my 10 frame. So my challenges for you are, number 1, can you practice counting to 10 and recognizing the numbers to 10? That's your first challenge. Second challenge, can you choose the number cards and mix them up and then pick each number randomly and fill that amount into your 10 frame? So like I did with number 1 and I did with number 7. And your third challenge is, can you use your 10 frame and the number cards like I've done to make number sentences? So if I was making a number sentence for this one, I would know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adds 1, 2, 3 has to equal how many? That's right, 10, because when it's full, it's a 10 frame, and we can see there's 3 empty. So it would have to equal 10. So can you use your 10 frame and your number cards and your counters, whatever you're using to count, to make number sentences for number bonds to 10? Make sure you share how you find this on Tapestry. And also remember, you can put the counters in whichever way you find easiest to work it out. Okay? Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Remember to share your work on Tapestry. Bye bye.